All right, thanks, Michelle. Today in pet care, when taking care of pets, it's always a good idea to know certain risks and conditions that can occur with your animal. So Michaela headed to the experts to find out about one that dog owners should be aware of.
Just like people, dogs get seizures too. And knowing the symptoms is the first step in helping your pup.
The most common thing that people will see is that the dog will fall over and seem unconscious. They're not responsive to them. The owners try to get their attention and they won't look at them or follow any commands.
They may be paddling and become very stiff. In addition to salivating, your dog may also defecate or urinate while seizing. Taking immediate action will get your animal the proper care they need.
Well, you definitely want to call your vet right away when it happens and see what they say. If the dog comes out of the seizure, then it's not as much of an emergency as if it doesn't stop. If the seizure is continuing for 5, 6, 7 minutes, or if they start to have multiple seizures in a row, then that's absolutely an emergency situation.
When emergencies do occur, veterinarians will treat the dogs depending on what caused the seizure.
If it's something as simple as a low blood sugar, well, then we treat the low blood sugar. But if it's something more serious like epilepsy, well, then they need different types of anti-seizure medications, both in the short term and then maintenance. Unfortunately, if it's a brain tumor, then we use a lot of those same medications, but also some drugs to help lower brain swelling and help maybe treat the tumor itself.
Many different breeds are susceptible to seizure-like conditions. So if you're a dog owner, listen up.
Any of the little guys can get low blood sugar, but as far as breeds that get epilepsy, it's everything from a golden retriever, poodles, beagles we'll see a lot with epilepsy, quiche huns, and some of the Arctic breeds.
And Dr. Marini also says to keep your hands away from your pet's mouth so as not to get bitten. Dogs are unaware of their actions during that time, so it's best to make sure your animal is in a safe place and keep them calm.